Welcome back to the DIY Pub. Today we have the Ego self-propelled electric lawnmower. It has a 56 volt, 10.0 ohm arc lithium battery. This version is the select cut. It has multiple blades. We're going to show you how this thing works today. So it comes with these blades. Today we're just going to use the blades that come right out the box. There's a couple different attachments. But yeah, man, this thing is a beast, to say the least. All right, so unfortunately I've already recorded this video. The whole entire video got deleted because my phone died. So as you can see, I actually recorded me cutting my entire yard. I mean, I cut the side. It's all cut, but I'm gonna try. So you can see how short it is, you know, all right here, compared to what it was. I haven't weeded it yet. That's how thick it was right here. So when I first got this thing, I was wondering how I get this bag on, and it's a lot simpler. There's two little hooks, and it's pretty much just, I mean, kind of self-explanatory. Got your hooks, and it just goes right into the hooks. I mean, into the bars. So when you get this thing, first thing you got to do is hold this down. You got to push this first, and then you're going to pull this. So it's hard for me to do it with one hand. So, right. Push this is the go. This is your speed. I'm on max speed. I've been on max speed. That's low. The further down you go, the higher up you go is fast. So I ran this on max speed the whole time. I mean, when it goes, I think it's like 8.4 foot-pounds of torque. So it's got some pull behind it. But like I said, I've already cut my grass, but just run a couple passes. Give y'all a rundown, what y'all see. Get real down. Oh yeah. But so, a couple things. Is an electric lawnmower for you? Because electric lawnmower is probably not for everybody. For me specifically, I love it. Even though, I mean, I'm kind of on that whole electric train, you know. There was a study that small engines like lawnmowers and small weed eaters actually produce some of the worst carbon emissions. So, you know, I got an electric weed eater, I got an electric blower, and now I got an electric lawnmower. Eventually gonna get an electric car, you know. And I work in the oil field, I do. But I know electric's not, it's kind of like a double-edged sword. They got oil, you know, right now is charging a lot of these, you know, electric vehicles, but you just got to take into consideration how much you are actually helping the environment, and at least try to make a step towards the right direction, right? I mean, I'm trying to be the change that I want to see. And as far as the specs go, I think it blows it out the water. I would probably give this a 4 out of 5 star. The only reason I'm giving it a 4 star is because of the price tag. It's pretty hefty. I mean, I think it's like $7.99. I think I got this on Black Friday or some type of sale. It was like $6.50 for the self-propelled one. I got it for $6.50ish, around there, and I love it. I mean, I don't have to buy gas, don't have to buy oil. It cuts my front and back in one charge. What else do I need? So I think it's mainly a preference thing. I mean, but overall, I like this low lawnmower. I do apologize, you guys. I had a really nice video where I cut the entire yard. I had different shots and angles where I put it low to the ground in different spots of the yard. You could really see how this thing was just blowing through. And instead, I got one little bitty clip, pretty much, of me cutting grass. And but like I say, it is what it is. I try for you guys. The ego. It's nice though. I like it. Well, I think that's gonna do it, guys, for this one. I wish I had more to show you guys like I should have. If you have any questions, comment below. But until next time, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be working on a generator pretty soon, and then conversion my welding machine to be able to operate on that generator. Stay tuned. Y'all be cool, be safe.